Thinking about renting a truck? Here's why it could be a good idea. 1. No big down payments. Save your cash. 2. No maintenance worries. The rental company handles it. 3. Flexibility. Switch trucks easily if your needs change. Thinking about owning your truck? Here's the scoop. 1. Total control. Customize your truck the way you want. 2. Lower monthly payments in the long run. 3. Build your brand with your own truck. Both renting and owning have their perks. Choose what works best for you.